All right, so here we are. They just closed all these. That's what they usually do routinely, I mean. When there's an air raid and incoming missiles, they shut the stores down. Everybody takes cover, which means Russian monsters are sending incoming missiles and drones here on Christmas Day. They don't give us any break at all. Anyways, so everybody's just retreated, and then you get other parts of the subway, even deeper down where people go. I'm gonna go upstairs, basically. Take the walk up here. Yeah, McDonald's is probably closed too. So I'm gonna have to wait until I get some coffee. But that's just a typical day. And Aroma Cab is probably closed too. They close, and it's usually about an hour. So it means my day's a little offset. I gotta get to the bank. I'm not too sure whether they, considering they've moved the holiday to the 25th, whether the banks are going to still be open, because I've got some banking business to do, and it may have to wait until tomorrow. But basically, this is just another day here in Kyiv during a missile alert drill and shelter type of situation. All right, folks, everybody have a good day.